So I have it set up in one of the extra bedrooms, and I'm... Wait a minute. What are you doing in here?
What? You wanted me to try out your new bathroom setup to see if it'll work?
Hey everybody, it's Sharon. I haven't posted for a while, so I thought I'd give you an update on this project. I had posted earlier. It's a pedestal sink out of cedar and resin, and it's going to go into the vacation cabin rental. And yes, I did use a dead standing cedar log. I'll have a whole video once I get finished with it, but it started out just beautiful. I could see the vision and love that red from the cedar. So I did carve out the back, enough for the room for the plumbing, and I actually set it up in the garage. The planks came from some cedars that were on our property and did a resin pour, so that's a whole nother video in itself. But yesterday I actually trimmed out the back of it and finished trimming the bottom. So since the cabin's not ready yet, I wanted to just see once what it would look like in a corner, because that's how it'll look in the cabin. So the black chair is the toilet, and then on the floor there, that's the width of that bathroom. So I wanted to see how it was going to fit in. And I think it'll fit in just like I was thinking. There is going to be a little space on the left there, which is fine, because if you're hanging a towel on the left, because that's where that'll be, you know, if it drips water, at least it'll drip on the floor and not on the vanity. So above it is going to be a very long oblong mirror with a cedar branch that I found. And the back of it is just one of those other planks. I'm going to use that for the backsplash, just to kind of help with the water. And I did seal everything with about 6 or 7 coats of lacquer. And look at that cedar log. That really turned out good. It looks brownish on the camera, but it's actually reddish. I think it was just the lighting. Like I said, the backsplash, I think I'm supposed to put it behind, but I don't have it mounted, obviously. And there will be a board underneath it, a little ledger board for it to sit on. You know, like I said, I love the color of that log. That was my first resin pour. Man, did I learn from a lot of mistakes there, but that's how you learn, right? So I think it's gonna work out good. Can't wait to get it in the house.
See if it'll work. So
Oh no!
I'd try it out.
So I hate to ask, is it working?
Well, I'm gonna wash my hands here in a minute, so we'll see how the sink works.
And you're not really doing anything on that chair, are you?
You know, and back in police work, when you simulate stuff, I mean, it's got to be like legit and real.
Oh, this is real enough. Thanks, Joe.
All right.
So stay tuned as we get a little bit closer every day. You know, baby steps, but at least they're going forward.